Here are the top 5 side hustles that can actually make you $1,000 per day. But most people mess up number 3. We help people quit their corporate job after hitting $1,000 in one day with just their laptop. Here's what works. First, online course creation. Pick one skill you already have and teach it. You can make $1,200 every day selling Excel training. Second, high-ticket consulting. Stop charging $50 per hour. Start solving bigger problems for $500 plus per session. Third, e-commerce arbitrage. Buy products cheap, sell them higher. But here's the mistake. People try to sell everything instead of focusing on one winning product. Fourth, content creation with affiliate marketing. Create valuable content, recommend products you actually use. Fifth, digital marketing agency. Help local businesses get more customers online. Start with just one service. The key? Pick one and go all in for 90 days. If you're ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind and want the complete blueprint for building a $1,000 per day side hustle, click in the blueprint link below, the exact steps that worked for hundreds of others.